Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to delete Twitter account permanently, or let's say deactivate your Twitter account, as it is similar. Deactivation of your account is actually deleting your account on Twitter. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to simply tap in Open Twitter application. At first, you need to tap in the profile icon on top of left corner. As you can see the options of settings and privacy, tap in it. Under settings and privacy, you need to tap in account. Scroll to the little down. Here, you can see the option of deactivate your account. Tap in it. Here are some of the information that is given during the deactivation of your account. You scroll down and tap in deactivate. To deactivate your account, you need to first confirm your password. So, go in for providing your Twitter password. Tap in Deactivate. Deactivate your account. You tap in Yes, Deactivate. As you can see, my account has been deactivated. That is, my account has been deleted. Tap and got it. This is how you can delete your Twitter account. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how easily you can delete, or let's say how you can deactivate your Twitter account. Thank you.